Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to add a link in Canva. For the sake of this video, we are just going to use a finished template, and we will search for PDF, and we will find a PDF to add a link to. We will just going to use this one, customize. So in order to insert a link in a document in Canva, we will add some additional text to use this one. So let's type click here. Make it a little bit smaller. Now we have it, money hacks, 101 ways to save money and how you spend it wisely. Click here. And now to insert the link, just click on it and then type the link button up in the right corner and just type in, we will use canva.com, press enter, and there you have it. If you want to download this document, just press share and then download, and we will save it as a PDF document, then download, and we will try the link. Open a new tab, and there you have it. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.